Rasclat, what is wrong with you, Elephant Man? You mean to tell me, say, out of all the girls in the world, you really left and gone and whining on a skeleton? You don't even know if that skeleton was a man or a woman. Yo, Elephant Man, when I come off the bomb battle of internet, them I see I look good, bad man. What is wrong with these dancehall artists, bro? The man really left. Yo, are you a clown or something, bad man? I can't say this man really left gone and whine on a skeleton. Bro, no just fall off, dog. Come like we do any and everything just to stay relevant in dancehall because this don't look good, bad man.